Guys, so we're going to do another giveaway. It's going to be on this video. If you want to win this Good Guys cereal box, this is from Child's Play, like Chucky, the little killer doll. As you can see, there's a little damage to the box. So being that there is a little damage, I'm giving this one away to one person who can guess down below in the comments the word of the day. It's somewhere in this video that you're about to watch. The word of the day. Be down in the comments.
We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh.
Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. It's Anthony, and I'm excited that you guys are here. Today we're going to go sourcing, and I'm going to teach you what it's like to go sourcing during a pandemic. So I'm actually going to meet up with Nate every day I'm hustling. As you guys know, he and I do the morning show together, Ecom and Beyond, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you haven't checked it out, what the heck are you waiting for? Come check it out. It's on my channel and Nate's channel. We rotate every other day. So make sure you subscribe to both of us. I'm going to have his link down below. So go check it out if you haven't checked it out yet. I also got other stuff down there. I have affiliate links. I have merchandise. If anybody's curious, I have Pittsburgh hats, cups. I have t-shirts, stuff like that. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go down in that description. I have all kinds of good stuff there. I have my contact information, my social medias, everything. You know, you want to check out my eBay store. You want to creep? Yeah, just creeping all together on Anthony's eBay. 46 minutes later. Just got to the first store, getting ready to head in. I don't know if you can see, but Nate's family's over there. I'm keeping a social distance away from them just to make sure that everything's copacetic. But I'm getting ready to head into the store. Wait to see me in when sourcing during a pandemic. This is how you roll. Gloves and a mask. Very important. Stay 6 feet away from people. And you see someone coughing? Kick them. No, I'm just kidding. Just stay away from them. And if you're sick, stay the heck home. No one wants your germs. But I'm on a mission right now because somewhere in this store, there's a beard on the loose. And we need to find him. See if we can find that beard. Na-na, 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 na-na. I found a beard. I found a beard. What's up? Hello of the day, beard.
Easy feet cleaner. To get them bunions up and yumming. Get the feet cleaner.
Yeah.
You heard it here, folks. First, folks.
Because you know the bear got some stinking feet.
You know, 15, baby.
All right, guys, so we're leaving. I just spent nearly $200. It was like 190 something. And literally I bought all Amazon stuff. Right now, some of the stuff I'm allowed to send in FBA, but in the interim, I figured I would do FBM until I pack the order. So that way I can get some money trickling in. Sometimes it'll take 15 minutes from the time you list the item for it to become active. By the time that I went active, I was in the checkout line and I sold 4 items as they were scanning them for the same item. So it was pretty nice. All I can say is merch fulfilled. So yeah, we're driving now, guys. Nate's with his family in front of me. I'm just kind of following behind them. We're getting ready to head over to a Target, and then I think we're gonna hit Walmart and maybe Ollie's and maybe a dollar store or two or something like that. So I'm stocking up right now for Amazon. I plan to send a FBA order, but in the meantime, I'm just going to list everything merch fulfilled and see what all I can sell before. So hopefully that's the plan. I'm hoping by the time I get home tonight, I'm going to be swamped with orders that need packed and ready to go out for Monday morning. But I'll keep you guys posted. I'm going to try to show you as much as I can. It's a lot harder for Amazon content to be able to share products because the market is so volatile on Amazon. And basically I could take, you know, the little bit of money that I'm making and share a product, and next thing you know, boom, I'm losing money on the stuff that I just bought. So I can't really show a whole lot of product, but what I can do is, like Nate says a lot, I can try to teach you to fish. So I'm going to try to be more diligent whenever I source for Amazon to be able to share as much as I can with you guys. Maybe I'll even have Nate do a little tutorial once we get to the store. You know, show you on his phone how he scans, how he looks for rank, all that stuff. Today I'm actually recording on my new iPhone, so let me know what you think of the footage and how it looks on here. I just forgot to charge my GoPro before I left the house, so sorry guys. We'll have to use his phone to show you ranks and stuff today. All right guys, so we just got to Target, and as promised, I'm going to have Nate show you how to comp and look up ranks and stuff on a product. Now, just so we don't give out any of the products we're buying, I've been drinking this Powerade Zero. So Nate's gonna look up this on Amazon for you guys. So I'm gonna hand him this Powerade. We're gonna social distance, and I'll show you as close as I can on his screen without actually being next to him. Apparently I gave him a bad product, guys, because there's no ranking because none have been sold.
There's no ranking, no listed. So, I mean, this typically could sell if you rank, you put it up for Mercari. Mercari. That's because, you know, Mercari's on fire right now, guys.
I'm up to 7 of them, guys, and I literally just left the store 5 minutes ago, if that.
Yeah, I hit two or three just coming out, and it was a lot of the same stuff that I grabbed earlier in my sourcing trip. I think it was on Thursday. So just like a lot of the same items, but a lot of profits, a lot of money, a lot of sales, which I'm up to $800 today so far, and it's 3 o'clock. So I'm floored right now, just how things are going, especially with me being cut out of work a little bit. So yeah, but there's a lot of money out there. Make sure you're scanning everything, stuff that maybe you're not even eating at home. It's got good expiration dates. Check it out, because there's money out there, money everywhere, money from the sky.
Dude, that's a good idea. I'm gonna go home and scan my pantry.
Yeah, the stuff you bought it, you got for like free or cheap.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. Just scan it. I mean, get rid of it, because hey, it's gonna do somebody better than in your pantry, and it's gonna put some money in your pocket. So it's a win-win for all.
Especially with us starting a new diet every week and then failing it, and then having to start it over again. I could just sell off all the junk.
Yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, scan everything, food, health and beauty, clothes, you name it. Everything's selling right now because e-com is popping.
Yeah, and that's partially because of e-com and beyond. What? The best morning show on the YouTubes.
What up, everybody? So Anthony wanted me to show you guys how to comp a product, or how I do it. So this is what we're gonna do right now. So this is a Target clearance plush blanket. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna scan it with my handy dandy Amazon app here in a second. There we go. Scan it. Woo.
Check out the glory of that beard hanging out that mask too.
You know it. So sadly, I'm restricted in it, because as I tell you guys all the time, I'm just like a lot of you. I'm gating a lot of stuff, but some stuff I'm starting to get undone in. But say I could sell this, and you could sell this instead. So what you do is this is the screen here. Click the top part. If you want to do this merch fulfill, it's $19.06, and then they give you shipping credits because it's roughly what's going to cost for you to ship it out. And then here's Amazon's fees, which is only $3. So you'd put in $7.48. Oops, $7.48, and then you also want to put in shipping to customer. So we'll say this is $7.75. Just a second. It's probably over a pound. So if I sold this on merch fulfill, I get about $5, 64 cents roughly. Depending on who you're sending to, it could be even cheaper, could be a little more. But if I was gonna sell this as FBA, I have to hit the tab over, and the only thing I have to really worry about is basically my profit and what they would charge. So for me to sell this on FBA, it actually would make me more money. I would have to send this to Amazon, which is a little bit of cost, roughly about, for me, depending on how many items I'm sending in, 25, 50 cents. So I'm making a little bit more money on FBA, and I don't have to do anything with it. This gets damaged, the customer, you know, loses it, they're taking care of it. So that's why I really like FBA. And some items is better at merch fulfill, some aren't. This is one that you would not want to do. You could still do it, but I would prefer to send in FBA.
Yeah, for sure. Quick update on you guys. We spent 10 minutes in Target. All we bought there was some drinks for ourselves because there was literally not very many deals in there that were worth snagging. But the big update is I've already sold 40 units of just one product that I picked up at the last store. And I probably still have another 40 left. And it's been listed maybe a half hour. So yeah, been hearing a lot of merch fulfill. That's what's up. So that's the power of Amazon, guys. And I'm not even running a repricer right now. And it's also not like any kind of like pandemic product or anything like that. It's just your average everyday run-of-the-mill thing. And the power of Amazon, man, just like literally before I get home, I'm gonna be sold out of these products, and I haven't even picked up the next wave of them yet. So I'm pretty excited about that, guys. Doing pretty well on that. So I'll keep you posted. We're off to another store. Not sure which one we're going to. Maybe Walmart next. All right, guys. So we just got to another store right now. We're just getting ready to walk in. What up?
Only number
3. Making the money. Merch fulfilled. All right, guys. So we've gone to many stores. I haven't filmed at all of them, but I got you as much footage as I could for the day. You'll be seeing a whole lot more of me and Nate doing collaborations. So make sure you're subscribed to both of our channels. His link will be down below. So make sure you go down there and tickle that subscribe button if you haven't already. But I appreciate you being here, guys. Make sure you come out Monday through Friday for Ecom and Beyond, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What you gonna say, Beard?
Get that money, baby. FBM merch fulfill. Whoa!
All right, guys. I had to share. Pretty fired up right now. I just found 2 boxes of basketball cards. There's a lot of packs in there. It's going to be kind of expensive, but I can't find basketball cards anywhere. I'm buying them both. Last stop of the day, guys. Merch fulfill grind has been on.
Usually they put a foam or something, you know, insulation.
All right, guys. So I just got home, and holy heck, my merch fulfill is blowing up. I upped the price of the unit that I said I sold 50 of, and I'm at like 56 right now, and I'm making like triple what I was originally. I was the lowest by a lot just by going with what they had suggested as the opening price, and once I looked and studied what the other merch fulfills were selling it at, I just made myself a little bit lower than the lowest, and I'm still selling through pretty well. Like I said, I think I'm at 56 right now, and I'm making considerably more than I was in the first 40. So I have a lot of this product too. I listed 100 of them, just knowing that I had 100 units to sell for sure. But I probably have more like 120 or 130, maybe even more than that. I didn't really keep track of how many of each I was buying. The only thing I did was for lots of stuff, things where I needed to have multi pieces per unit that I sell. Those I just made sure I had them in the accurate lot number, proportionate to what I need to sell them in. So yeah, I got so much stuff, guys. I'm gonna be so busy.